Welcome to this Hargrove gas log installation video. Today, we'll be going over the installation of a stealth burner with a 3F electronic ignition valve. This video is not a replacement for the instruction manual. Read all instructions before installing any Hargrove appliance. When placing the burner into the fireplace, make sure that neither the wiring harness or the orange spark wire are under the burner or its legs at any time. The burner must never rest on any wire. Attach the gas line to the inlet behind the burner as shown. Install the 4 AA batteries into the provided battery pack. Ensure that all batteries are facing the correct direction. When using the battery pack, no batteries are installed into the receiver. Plug the wire from the battery pack into the terminal at the top of the receiver. Make sure to reinsert the remote receiver into the slot on the left side of the burner. Place the battery pack on its shelf with the wires facing backward. Install the 9-volt battery into the remote. Press and hold the reset button with a small screwdriver and wait for the long beep. Next, press the low flame button on the remote. That series of beeps means that a connection has been made. In most applications, the valve components are connected out of the box. The following instructions are provided as a reference. Connect the red and yellow wires from the valve to the matching colored ports on the receiver and tighten them with the screws. Connect the plug from the wiring harness to the matching terminal on the remote receiver. Now, connect the orange wire to the corresponding port labeled Spark. Make sure to reinsert the remote receiver into the slot on the left side of the burner. Place the battery pack on its shelf as well. Place the radiant riser onto the burner and ensure that it is not upside down. The narrow side faces downward. Ensure that the manual knob is in the full on position. If not, twist until it snaps into place. Make sure the main gas supply is turned to the full on position. Press the high flame and off buttons simultaneously. This lights the pilot. These buttons show a spark icon and a line connecting them. If you're lighting the burner for the first time, it may take a couple of cycles for gas to reach the pilot. Once the pilot is lit, the burner automatically lights as well. You can now use the remote to adjust the flame height up and down. For natural gas applications, fill the burner pan with the provided sand. Fill the burner pan up to the screw heads on the back wall. Gradually slope the sand downward toward the front of the burner pan, making sure to miss the pilot opening. Some sand may flow over the front lip of the burner and onto the fireplace floor. This can be covered with embers or volcanic cinder later. Completely cover the sand with the black embers. Apply a thicker layer of embers just below the grate. In propane applications, apply embers directly to the burner. Again, make sure to apply a thicker layer of embers just below the log grate. Begin adding logs according to the provided log diagram. Hargrove's log diagrams can all be found at hargrovegaslogs.com or by following the link in the description. Now your gas log set is ready to bring comfort and warmth to your family for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, make sure to visit our website at hargrovegaslogs.com